If you guys want to see all our new classic cars, please hit the subscribe button. We get new cars in every day. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. I got another Mustang up for sale today. This one is very cool. It's got some unique features I'm going to go through with you. If you like our classic cars, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave your comments below. Let's get started. 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe up for sale today. This is a C code, originally 289 2-barrel. It's paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. It's a driver quality car. It's clean. It's got a nice undercarriage. The body's in good shape. Couple flaws. We're gonna go over the good, the bad, and if there's any ugly, so you know what you get before you get it. We ship all over the US, and we can get it to any port if you want to ship it worldwide. We're gonna do a complete walkthrough of the vehicle. We'll start on this fender. We got the 289 right there. This fender's in good shape. I don't see any flaws on it. Got a little, that's not even a flaw, right here. Little scratch there. All in good shape. This door's in really good shape. No visible flaws. You got a little bit of bubbling here, a couple little chips there. Very, very small. Nothing going on here. We look at the roof. The roof's in good shape. No flaws there. A little crack right there in the paint. A little bit right there. Gonna go on this back side, is in good shape. This rear quarter panel's also in good shape. There's no rot or any rust back here. The tires are in perfect condition. They are brand new. The wheels are also brand new. Let me show you this one. They came with the car. We just put them on. So it's got brand new wheels, brand new tires. Back here, you got a little dent right there. I don't know if you guys can see that with the camera. Come up here, a little chip right there. Another chip right there. The bumper, it's in fair condition. It does have a little bit of pitting up at the top. It's got brand new MagFlow exhaust, which I will show you. This quarter, a couple little marks here, but it looks like they're coming out. Got a little crack right there. Again, brand new tires, wheels. The worst part of the car is going to be right on this door. This is the biggest flaw. You got a spot right there, and you got a couple little bubbling there and right here on this door. That's the worst part of the whole car. So boom, and a little bit there. The undercarriage is very clean. I'll show you that. Nothing too much going on there. A couple nicks there. Hood's in good shape. Front bumper's in good shape. Headlights are in good shape. Let's briefly take a look at the undercarriage. All solid. Looks like it was undercoated years ago. They look like original floors too. It's solid. Got a small little spot right here. The rest of it is good. And then what I would recommend is get it up on a lift and put a nice undercoat on it, which I left that. I didn't want to look like we're disguising anything. But the next owner puts a nice undercoating on it. It'll definitely keep it protected. Looks like the gas tank is new. Again, the exhaust is new. Back here is where they rot out really bad. As you can see. Pop open the trunk. Got some extra parts. Quarters on the inside's good. Comes with a car cover. Quarters also good. The trunk's in good shape. Car was originally yellow. I think they call it springtime yellow. But like most of them, it's been painted red. Your VIN number's there. It ends in 6,000, which is pretty cool. It's the body 65C for coupe. Your color's 8, trim 56. Trans right there. It's a real 4-speed car. Crazy thing, it's a bench seat. And that's the cool feature about this. Factory bench seat with the 4-speed, which you don't see very often. If you have seen another one of these, please leave me a comment and say, yes, I've seen it, and tell me where you saw one. This is the first time I've seen a 4-speed with factory bench, which is so cool. Headliner's in good shape. The only biggest flaw is right here in this seat. This seat's in perfect condition. Interior's in good shape. Besides that front seat. Dash is decent. We'll go ahead and fire it up. Oil pressure works. Fuel works. Amps is working, and we'll see if it warms up, if that's working. We got 38,745 miles. We don't know if that's accurate. It's true miles. I have no documentation. Windows go down. Horn works. That's a rarity. I like that. Yeah, we'll see if it warms up. Let's go listen under the hood. Car's rolling a little bit. See if I can get this e-brake on. E-brake does not work. Let's see. Feels like it wants to engage, but it's not. I'm gonna roll it back. Get it to stop. And then we'll go into the hood. We don't script anything here, guys. The way you see it is the way it happens. The e-brake's not working currently. The engine sounds fantastic. It seems to be matching numbers. It does have headers. And it drives real healthy, guys. I drove it earlier. I actually took the car home with me. All the gears shift good. There's no grinding, there's no noises. It goes right in gear. It's a solid driving car, 4-speed with factory bench seat. I don't think this thing's gonna last long. Appears to have matching numbers, original engine. It all looks correct. Good tires on it, exhaust. A solid car. Horn works. Let's see if, looks like the temperature's starting to go up. It's up for sale now, guys. Give us a call or go on our website. Come on, BobEvansClassics.com. Again, BobEvansClassics.com. Or call me directly, 215-801-9493. That's my cell phone. Go straight to me. You ain't dealing with any salespeople. I handle all of our deals. Me or Chris. Chris is my son. We're a family business. We deal with everybody directly. We ain't gonna pass you off to some random person that works for us. Appreciate you guys checking us out. Talk to you guys later. Keep following our page for more cars. Later.